In this video, we are going to show you how to utilize JustPlay's import wizard to import sports code clips into your playlist section in your JustPlay system. As you can see, I'm in my playlist section here with some playlists already created. Now we're going to go to the top right corner where you see this black sports code wizard button. This is how you open up the wizard. Here you can drag and drop your sports code files into this box, or just go ahead and browse for your file, which I'm going to do now, and select. From here, that's going to bring you into where you can choose what codes and labels you want to send to your destination. Up top here is where you can add the different headers that you have inside of your package. So right now I'm going to keep it on code, but I could come up here and add whichever ones I want from this package. You can also utilize this columns and use button, which will do the same thing for you. That will turn on those different items inside of each item down below. From there, I'm just going to choose what codes I want to take from that package and then pick my destination. We're going to utilize this as a player development playlist, so I'm going to choose all of the clips for this player, and then I'm going to choose my destination. So once I open this up, I can either add a new playlist and it will allow me to name it from right here, or I can choose from existing playlists that I already have, and I'm going to choose this one right here. Now over on the right, you can see that there are 4 clips that match this code. If I added another column and added another code down below, that would change there as well. I can go ahead and also add a new row and import multiple different clips to different destinations within my playlist section. I don't have to do one at a time here. So if I want to get rid of that, I can just hit that trash can and checkbox. I am just going to import this one playlist, so now I can click the next button. This is going to bring me to where I can name these clips, so you can either use the naming template up top here and choose what you want to name it, or you can just type in this text box down below and that will be the name of those clips. Here's the destination of those clips. You can also click on the blue hyperlink here and preview those clips to make sure you're picking the right ones. You have the ability in 2 different spots to choose whether you want the clips to be individual clips or one single video. So you're seeing that drop down here, and the up arrow on the import button as well right here. Next to the import button, you're seeing the overlay text enabled button. So I do have overlay text enabled on these clips. If I click on that, it will bring you into the overlay settings. Your enable button is right here. If I uncheck that, all this will turn black, and that means that I am not utilizing our overlay text. So let me turn that back on. You have a bunch of different settings you can adjust down below, whether your format, text, or anything else that you want to adjust. From there, when you're done, you can click close. And then now, once you're ready to import those clips, you can click import. You'll be able to manage the data in that playlist one more time. We're just going to keep code on like we had before and go ahead and click done. You'll see that those clips are being added down below. You saw this jump from 0 to 4. Now we can jump into that playlist and you're going to see those clips are transcoding. All that means is we are modifying that video on the back end so that everybody can watch these clips on whatever device they're on. So this should not take long at all. You can see this clip is already done. I am also going to show you how to add this folder within your playlist so that you have the ability to better organize and group your playlist together. So how I did this is I went to hide show columns. You can see I already have folder turned on, but all you have to do if you're not seeing it there is click the add button, label it, call it folder, and then you're going to go ahead and track the value right here. So just check this box and click save. From there, you can go to hide show columns, just make sure it is turned on, and you're seeing that here. Now, what you can utilize this for is when I go in and add a playlist, let's say that I want to add this players, and I want it to be a player development playlist. From here, I can utilize the folder that I just added, and I have practice film, game film, and player development tagged out. If you don't have these already, all you have to do is type it in the box and just go ahead and click on it and it will save. Since I already have it in my dropdown, I'm going to go ahead and just select that and click submit. Now I can go ahead and add videos into that playlist. You can do this for those other folders as well by just coming back in. Let's do the same player, but I want to do game film. From here, I'll select the folder again and now do game film. And then I can do the same thing for practice film. So one more. Folder, practice film, submit. And so now you can just add that player's clips into either their player development playlist, game film playlist, or practice film playlist. You can also go to your grouping and I can group it by folder. Now I can see all of the different folders here for my playlist. So all of my players' game film playlists will live together. Same thing with player development and practice. And that is how you utilize Just Play's import wizard within playlists.